Okay. In this video, I'll show you how to clean CyberKey and CyberLock as regular maintenance. We supply a CyberLock cleaning kit, which includes these two types of brushes, these buds, and isopropyl alcohol. Now to clean keys, I'll start with the keys. First, normally you'd take the brush and then brush this area vigorously to make sure that there's no lint in there, and then make sure that the contacts are clean. Okay. If it's really dirty, you can take your buds and then isopropyl alcohol, and then okay. If it's a really dirty key, you just need to spray it on, spray a bit there, and then clean it as well. Okay. Clean, and then you can brush again to make sure that everything's okay. I hope I didn't short that. Now to do the same with the locks, you can do the same with the locks. So you can just remove all the dirt, and then you brush it. Yeah, and then make sure the surfaces are shiny. And if it's really dirty, you can use the buds, but in this case I probably don't need to. So once both surfaces are clean, you can try opening the padlock, and then there you go. And then you need to do this regularly, maybe twice a year. Okay, so that's how you clean your CyberLock and your CyberKey. Thanks.